Kaia, you're here to pick up your art piece from the beginner workshop that we had yesterday. Can you tell people a little about your piece and what you're going to do with it? Because it's quite unique.
Yeah, I've done a little bit of stained glass work, so that's why I kind of wanted something that had transparency to it, because I'm actually going to put it into a stained glass window. I'm going to have like little glass nuggets around the side of it and maybe some bevels or something, but I'm really happy and really surprised that it turned out so well.
Well, it turned out extremely well, and I can't wait to show people what that looks like when you copper foil it into a window, because now there won't be as many copper foil lines around the design. Am I right about that?
Yeah.
So there'll just be a little more light going through this part of the...
Yeah. And it'll also have depth to it. It's kind of sticking out a little bit from it. So it's giving the texture of different layers, which I really like.
Yeah, I think this could be the beginning of a wonderful fused glass, stained glass relationship blooming.
I'm hoping.
Yeah. Well, it was wonderful to have you in class.
I really enjoyed it. It was a fabulous day.
Oh, good. Thanks.